Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris, this is Restoration Rescue, and we're gonna try and put some bling on this Chevy 305. Oh man, how awesome does this thing look? This thing is gonna look great once it's all together. We're gonna paint the block black and keep this little bit of a silver contrast on this Edelbrock Performer EPS manifold. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rip this thing down and we're gonna throw on this manifold today. Alright guys, so this thing is all torqued out to spec, 25 degrees on each of the 12 bolts. Make sure you start on the inside and work your way out. So that is all in. Just of note, what we did is you can come here on the front, you see some of the gasket maker. We put it underneath and you put it on top. Some people put it on the manifold gasket as well. We did not. So that is all set and all in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you a little bit more bling about our valve covers. So it comes with these studs, which you can see has a Phillips head little cutout in the top. You just put it in here, screw it down, then this awesome little hold down comes over. You put that down, and then this, and it screws right in, and it's gonna look fantastic. So we're gonna knock that out, and also what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up here, lay a sick bead of gasket maker here, throw on our gasket, another sick bead, and throw on this timing cover. So let's do it. can see, we've added a little bit more bling to this engine. We got our timing cover on with a bunch of RTV. We have our valve covers on, and now we're gonna throw on our air cleaner on top of this carb right there. Toss this thing on and spin that right on. And that's gonna look amazing. I hope you guys really like it. Tell us what you think about it in the comments below. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next Saturday when we try and get this thing a little closer to firing up. Creepy face.